Hi, everyone. Welcome to 6 Minute Weekly. I'm Sade Sanni with Charissa Realty. This is a quick weekly conversation that will bring you simple, practical insights on how to make better decisions around life in general. Today, I'm excited because I have somebody who is a dear friend of mine. His name is Kudzai Baloyi. He's a mortgage specialist with Bank of Montreal. And we're going to talk about one of the biggest questions people ask, which is, as a newcomer, how can I buy a house? So over to you, Kudzai. Please do introduce yourself to our viewers.
Thank you very much, Sade. It's such an honor and a privilege to be part of your platform today and talk about things that are very dear to us. I know we have been newcomers and we've gone through tons and tons of experience that is worth sharing with our with our audience. Um, like you rightly said, a very good friend of yours. We collaborate on the real estate and home financing side of things. And I've been with BMO for just from last year in September, but I've got 6 years of experience in the financial service sector. So my role is just to help our clients we fulfill their home buying goal by providing home finance, main specifically on the residential side. So I'm here to talk about these things. And again, thank you for inviting me to put out all the information, put out all the knowledge. I know, like they say, knowledge is power, right?
Absolutely. And you know, that happens a lot of times when we have clients and friends who are new to Canada coming from all over the world. A lot of people advise them to just keep renting. And some of them have, they would like to be homeowners. They have this dream of home ownership. But I believe that, to your point, knowledge is power. They don't get the right advice. And that's one of the reasons why I wanted to really bring you here today, just so maybe you can share some stories on how you've helped clients or things that people should really look out for, or how they can actually get themselves ready. So whichever, comes to you first.
Yeah, that's a very good question. I've dealt quite a lot with so many newcomers, which I take dearly as a privilege. And in my experience, or even my personal experience when I came to Canada, you realize that you were an expert back home, right? And suddenly you are new in an environment in Canada. One of the things that frustrates you the most is kind of like ignorance. You are ignorant of the financial service sector. Let's talk even about credit cards. Let's talk about bank accounts. Let's talk about more so even if you want to buy a vehicle or to our conversation today, if you want to buy a house, it's even a daunting task. And it's through these discussions, you don't want to fall into the wrong hands, because if you do fall into the wrong hands, you end up getting sidetracked
Right.
by people. And at the end of the day, the cost of wrong decisions when you're buying a house can cost you maybe at the bare minimum 5 to 10 years. So you just need to be sure, meet the right people, trustworthy people who have got the right knowledge and good intentions.
Right. Thank you so much. I could talk to you for a long, long time, because I remember last time we got on the call, we were there for like an hour. But I know that this is 6 Minute Weekly. And yes, as we talked about, I'll bring you in as many times as needed for people to get the information they need. So for viewers, if you need mortgages or you need a credit card or anything at all that Bank of Montreal can help you with, I will be dropping Kudzai's information right below this recording. So please do feel free to reach out to him or reach out to me. And our hope is that, Canada is yours to discover. Our hope is that you do discover it. Knowledge is power. You do take that knowledge that we're sharing with you, and you do something meaningful with it. So thanks everybody for joining. Kudzai, thank you so much for being with us today, and we'll see you next time on 6 Minute Weekly.
Thank you very much. Until we see each other next time.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
talk to you later. Bye-bye.